Are you ready to take your cooking to the next level? Introducing the Toshiba 7.7QT Air Fryer, a kitchen powerhouse designed to make mealtime easier, healthier, and more delicious than ever before. In this in-depth review, we'll dive into the features that set this air fryer apart and why it deserves a place in your kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Master the art of culinary convenience with weeknight technology. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to gourmet perfection with Toshiba's weeknight technology. This innovative feature takes the hassle out of cooking by automatically adjusting cooking times based on the quantity of food in the basket. With 5 curated weeknight programs, you can enjoy perfectly cooked meals with just the touch of a button, making mealtime a breeze. Precision meets simplicity with 12 preset menus. Experience cooking perfection with Toshiba's 12 preset menus. Whether you're air frying, baking, roasting, or more, simply select your desired program and let the air fryer do the rest. With automatic temperature and time settings, you can trust that your dishes will turn out perfectly every time, eliminating the guesswork and ensuring culinary success. Entertain with ease with 7.7QT family size capacity. With its spacious 7.7QT capacity, the Toshiba air fryer makes entertaining a breeze. Say goodbye to kitchen constraints and hello to the freedom to cook more at once. Whether you're hosting family gatherings or dinner parties with friends, this air fryer has the capacity to satisfy everyone's appetite, making mealtime memorable and stress-free. Achieve masterful precision with 1F accuracy control. Step into the world of culinary precision with Toshiba's 1°F accuracy control. Unlike other air fryers that can fluctuate by more than 10 degrees Fahrenheit, this air fryer maintains a consistent cooking temperature within an impressive 1°F range throughout the entire cooking process. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked meals and hello to perfectly cooked dishes every time. Crispy perfection with Heat-Q technology. Prepare to be amazed by the culinary innovation of Toshiba's Heat-Q technology. With its dynamic duo of a mighty motor and high-powered heater, this air fryer generates rapid hot air that envelops your food, creating that irresistible crispy texture you crave. Say goodbye to greasy, unhealthy meals and hello to crispy perfection with less oil. In conclusion, the Toshiba 7.7QT air fryer is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their culinary creations. With its innovative features such as weeknight technology, 12 preset menus, spacious family size capacity, 1°F accuracy control, Heat-Q technology, and multiple safety features, it's no wonder why this air fryer has become a kitchen essential. Say goodbye to complicated cooking and hello to delicious, hassle-free meals with the Toshiba air fryer. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.